it's Lionel from AdvantageScience.com, and thanks for being part of our beta project. This short video is to show you how to get into our new service called Edvantage Solutions. And Edvantage Solutions is a way for you to access the works solution for any question in any of our books. So let's get started. Once you log into AdvantageScience.com, you'll go to the teacher support page. And so I'll just click through to that and you get the listing of any support pages we have for teachers. And I'll just take the first one. You could take any of the one depending on your book. And when I slide down a little bit, I see that's added here is this section called Edvantage Solutions. And when I click on Edvantage Solutions, I get a new pop-up that looks like this. Now when you get to this page, there's a lot going on, but the key thing to look for is always look for our Edvantage Science logo, so the two-colored brain, or sometimes this dark blue is a good indication of something that's for Edvantage Solutions because that's one of our colors. So I'm looking at that and we'll go, okay, well let's sign in. Now it looks like you're supposed to put in your email and password here, but notice down here, there's the brain and it says sign in with Edvantage Science. And this is important because you're already signed in at AdvantageScience.com. So when you click on this button right there, what happens is it's going to ask you, do you want the two servers to talk? And in this case, the answer is yes. So by confirming that, what it does is their server that holds the solutions talks to our server at AdvantageScience.com and connects the two up because it knows it's you because you've authenticated yourself on AdvantageScience.com. So now we're in and we just go find our book. And it's kind of a list here of different books. So if you have a custom book, you can go through and find your own book just based on the cover. And remember, if you would like your own cover next year, you're more than welcome to add that to your book. But in our case, we're just looking for a generic book. So we find that book and we press go. Now there's one final step before we can get access to the questions. And remember, you only do this the first time through. And that is, we need to enter our enrollment key. So right in the center there, it asks for an enrollment key. This key is exactly the same key as you use to enroll in the teacher course at AdvantageScience.com. So if you're not sure about that, just contact me and let me know. But I'll enter that code here right now and press submit. And now you'll see the buy button has disappeared and we have access to all the questions. So I can go down to chapter 5, I can go into section 5.3 on page 291 and I can pick question 4 and it shows us the answer right there. We've got the full answer. And that goes through for the whole book. So very exciting. It's an easy way for you to get access to any particular question. And just as an addition, if you customize your book and the page number changes, we've accounted for that and it will still work for your customized book. So very flexible, very easy program to get to once you're registered the first time. Finally, when you're done, you have a couple options for logging off. If you just go up and press your red button left on the Mac and right on a Windows or Chrome machine, it will close the window off, but you will still stay connected between the two. And that's great because next time you click on the link, it'll just take you right back to where you want to go. But if you're on a school computer and you don't want anyone else to access this, you pick sign out. And that'll mean next time you go through, you'll have to confirm the connection again, but better to do that on a public computer than keep it going. At home, you can just close the pop-up window and the next time you go into it, it'll stay connected. So again, if you're at home or you're on your own personal computer, you can just close off with the red button. But if you're on a public computer, use the sign out. So I'll just sign out here just to see what happens when it goes out, and it just takes us back to the same page. And that's it. That's Edvantage Solutions. Please feel free to drop me a note at any time if there's a question, and we're really interested to hear what you think of this new service that we're offering to you. Thanks again for being part of the beta project.